everyone, myself Dr. Aditya Ghosh. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics at Amos University. In the Department of Mathematics, we offer various courses on mathematics and statistics in undergraduate and postgraduate level. At present, I am taking a particular paper called Complex Analysis in UG second year, that is 4th semester. Now, what is there in the paper? In this paper, we try to explain to the student that what is a complex number, how we can represent a complex number geometrically, what is the relation between two-dimensional plane and complex number, how to do the integration using some curve integration using formula, how to do infinite series expansion of a complex function and all. So hearing that, you must be surprised that this topic may not be very easier for undergraduate student. Yes, you are correct. This topic is not a very easy topic for an undergraduate student. If you see the curriculum of very good universities, you see this topic is enlisted in the postgraduate level only. But why we have given this topic in the undergraduate level? The reason is only one, that we want that our student should try to think big, and our student will try to think something out of the box, something beyond their capability. At least they try to think. If this is happening, their reasoning or their logical mind will grow up. And what will happen then? They can easily crack some future examination which they will face. So I am very privileged to get this topic and to deliver lecture on this topic to the students. So those who are pass out student now, they are also very happy to have this course in their curriculum. So now for the new students, those who want to take admission to mathematics department, I have a great appeal to them. Please visit Amos University at least once. Try to see the course curriculum, try to see the faculty profile, try to see the infrastructure, and then you take your final decision. If you be with us, we will be very happy with you in your entire journey. Thank you.